Good afternoon. I'm Megan Katrina Casillan, running to be your next Sophomores Batch representative. Let me begin by asking you, how easy is it to fall in love? For me, it was very easy to fall in love with BAC. When I became a council associate last semester, I knew right then that it's something I would love doing. During those days that I was so scared of not finding a place to fit in, council welcomed me with open arms and made me feel at home. Every BAC event I attended and every project I worked for so far just makes me love BAC all the more. Likewise, it was easy for me to fall in love with my batch. In a span of months, I was able to meet extremely talented and friendly people who have so much potential in them. Classes, aftermaths, bakbakan, and other events are always fun and exciting because of them, and I will always be proud to cheer for this batch. BAC provided opportunities for me, and I want to share these to my batch. I want to be the person that they can easily approach and rely on in making their voices heard and in helping to arrive at solutions that will be beneficial for everyone. I want to help in empowering them to participate and be involved in the CBA community. I know that serving as batch rep entails many sacrifices.
Oh my God.
But I'm willing to take on the challenge. This is because I believe that my batch is capable of accomplishing great things. And I also believe that my batchmates deserve to be served in the best way possible. Once again, I'm Megan Casillan, ready to take on the position of Sophomores Batch representative.